At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, November 23, 2022, a $90 million catalyst is brewing for Mullen stock in 2023. Mullen will pay out $90 million of Series D preferred stock next year. Yesterday, Mullen Automotive announced the resale of up to 220.82 million shares yesterday. Next year, Mullen will provide eligible investors with $90 million worth of Series D preferred stock. Shares of Mullen stock are down by more than 95% year to date. Shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock hit a new 52-week low of 20 cents this morning following yesterday's news of a resale of up to 220.82 million shares. The resale will solely consist of notes that are convertible into common stock. Mullen will not receive proceeds from the sale of these shares. In November, the company amended its securities purchase agreement for a third time. That amendment stated that investors, such as Isuzu Holdings, would pay $150 million to receive convertible notes instead of Series D preferred stock and warrants. These notes could be converted into Mullen stock on November 21, 2022, and at any time or times at the discretion of the holder, which hints that the investors may have already converted their notes. For every share of common stock received from the conversion, the investors will also receive warrants exercisable for 185% of the common stock received. However, there is still $90 million remaining from the commitment amount in the securities purchase agreement, which was enacted in a previous Second Amendment. Let's get into the details. A $90 million catalyst is brewing for Mullen stock in 2023. The $90 million will be paid out in the form of Series D preferred shares in two tranches next year, on January 24 and February 24. Mullen did not specify the value amounts for each date. The purchase price of the shares will be the lower of $1.27, which was the closing price on the day the securities purchase agreement was executed. 2. The closing price on the trading day before the purchase date, with a price floor of 10 cents. Investors receiving the shares will also receive warrants exercisable for 185% of the Series D shares purchased. These warrants will have an exercise equal to the price that the Series D shares were purchased for. Mullen has stated that it will file a resale form for the shares issuable upon conversion of all of the notes and warrants no later than December 23. The Third Amendment also states that between April 1 and June 30 of next year, the investors stipulated in the Third Amendment will have the right to purchase additional Series D shares in an amount equal to such investors' pro rata portion of $100 million under the same terms of the securities purchase agreement. If purchased, the investors will receive warrants equal to 110% of the Series D shares purchased. All in all, it seems that more dilution is on the way for Mullen. The company will soon host its special meeting of stockholders on December 23, where shareholders will vote for a reverse stock split and increasing authorized shares from 1.75 billion to 5 billion.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.